Okay, we're going to finish up by making multi-view drawings. And a multi-view drawing is just 3 views of one item. So I have this side selected, so I'm going to deselect it, move a copy with the right arrow key to the right. Then I'm going to move another copy with the right arrow key. And then while I have this as a component, I'm in the Move command prompt right now. I can select one of those red X's. So they show up when you're in the Move tool over a component. I can click it. Now I can rotate this back, and if the closer I move this cursor to the center point of this protractor, it snaps to 15-degree increments. The further away from the center I am, it snaps like to 5 or 1-degree increments, really. So I want to go back. Now if you look at the text box, it says it's angle 0. That's what I want. I need to move this over a little. So now this is going to be the front view of my side. Why is it the front view? Because it shows the most detail. But I want to bring it towards the front on the green axis to line up on the red line. So now I have a front view. Over here is my side view. I'm going to need a top view. Notice my front is in the front, the side is on the side, and my top is going to be on top of the front view. So I'm moving a copy straight up, using the up arrow key. I'm going to orbit by pressing the wheel. Click on the little red X or plus or whatever it is. Rotate this so it's flat. Now it says 180. You have to think about, in SketchUp it's 0, 90, 180, 270. Now I want this front corner to line up with this front corner. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to press the left arrow key so it's on the green. I'm going to bring my cursor down, line it up with that front corner. Now it's too high, so I'm going to drop it straight down using the up arrow key. Then to take a look at it, I'm going to click on the front view. That gives me my side, my 3 views of my side, my top view, my front view, and my side view. Now I would use the dimension tool and dimension the various parts. Now I cannot read that, so I'm going to right click, change the text position to either outside start or outside end. Doesn't really make a difference. Now I'm going to dimension that one. I'm going to go back up there and dimension that one. This is one method of dimensioning. I'm going to move it up a little. Probably too far. Should be about there. I'm going to dimension the position and the location of my arc. And there it snapped. Now I'm going to repeat that same process for the shelf. just moving and aligning using the left right arrow keys, the up and down arrow keys. Click on the front view. Here's the front, the top, and the right side. Once again, I can dimension this really quickly. This one's very simple. It's just a rectangle. Once again, I cannot read the 3/4, so I'm going to change the text position to the outside the start. I'm going to save my work because I don't like redoing. Move with the copy option. Drag the top over. Make a copy of that top, drag it down. Orbit. Rotate, align. This one's a little trickier. I'm going to align the midpoint with this front corner. And then I'm going to move a copy out. Sometimes it's hard to get the little red plus sign. You may have to orbit or zoom in because SketchUp's trying to guess. Once again, I'm going to drag it back and drag it over a little ways. Oops, too far. Now, I could probably flip this one to here to show the position of these joints. I clicked on the front view of the house. Now I could use my dimension tool to say where the location of that joint is. There, SketchUp's picking up on that round. So let's try to go here to there. I'm not worried about the dimensions right now. I'm just showing you what you should have. So you should have 5 views: the assembled, the exploded, the 3 views, top, front, right side, of the side piece, the 3 views of the shelf, and the 3 views of the top. Okay, and then you can zoom in on each one. And later on we will show you how to do scenes. That'll be the next step, will be scenes, but that's all for now.